Hey guys, it's India. Welcome back or welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a claw clip crochet braid hairstyle. I am really excited to be sharing this with you guys today. Y'all know I did a crochet ponytail probably, I think like almost a year ago actually, and I had an idea to do it in claw clip form, so that is what we're going to be doing today. This is part 2 of this video. If you guys are interested in seeing the products that I use to wash, condition, and deep condition my hair, I will link that video in the description box down below. The products are absolutely amazing. 10 out of 10. I definitely recommend them. So I am starting off on freshly washed hair. You guys can see I'm parting my hair from ear to ear, and this is going to be our first section of hair. So we're basically going to have this part in the front and then all that's left in the back. So I'm just going to go ahead and put my hair in the back in a ponytail, and we're going to start working on this front part. So it's totally up to you where you want to do your part. You can do a middle part like I'm doing. You could do a zigzag. You could do a side part. It's really honestly up to you. I decided to go ahead and do a middle part for this style. So I am using my rat tail comb to make my part nice and straight. And then although my hair is freshly washed, I want to make sure that it's super saturated. I just feel like my hair lays best when it's really wet. So you guys can see I am using the Kinky Curly Not Today leave-in conditioner. This is my favorite leave-in conditioner of all time. I have been using this leave-in for years, girl, like since the very beginning of my natural hair journey. I just absolutely love it, and it works perfectly with the olive oil Eco Styler gel. Now, of course, you can pick your own type of leave-in conditioner, your own type of gel, but I'm letting you guys know that these two products work well together and that you will not have any type of flakes or white residue or anything like that if you choose to use both of these products. So as you guys can see here, I am sectioning my hair in the front. So basically what I'm doing is applying the leave-in conditioner, removing the excess, and then going ahead and applying the gel on top of that. My Denman brush to make sure that my hair is nice and smooth, and then brush it out with my bristle brush. And I did this for my entire head. These are the steps that I'm following. So right here, I'm just brushing it down with my bristle brush, and you guys can see me just using a bobby pin to go ahead and pin it in the back for right now. Then once I was done both sides, I used a small rubber band to go ahead and rubber band those two together in the back before I started working on my second section of hair. So once again, I am using a spray bottle filled with just water, and then I'm using my leave-in conditioner, detangling with my fingers, and then I go through with my Denman brush on top of that just to make sure the product is applied nicely and my hair is super smooth. And then once I do that, I use gel, and then I went ahead and brushed my hair just into this kind of like semi-low ponytail in the back. Now, as you guys can see, we're on our last section right here. So spraying water, of course. I did actually go ahead and divide this section into 2. Make sure that you are sectioning off your hair. If you have very thick hair like me, you're going to need to do multiple sections if you want your hair to lay flat. I section my hair like this and use these same products and this same method when I do a wash and go. So I know this is not too much product for my hair. If this is too much for you, then girl, do bigger sections, whatever you have to do. But if you have super thick hair like me, this is definitely going to work well for you. So I just kind of flipped up that little piece. I felt like it did a little something to hide the rubber band. And then I'm using a ponytail holder just to make sure my hair is nice and tight in the ponytail. Once I did this, I went ahead and started twisting my hair up that's in the ponytail. Now, you can do as many or as few twists as you would like. I ended up doing, I believe, around 5, maybe 6. I'm not really sure. You can definitely do 1. I just felt like my hair would work better in multiple twists, but it's totally up to you. And then I went ahead and let my hair sit for a few hours. This style is taking place all in one day, only because I had somewhere to go. If you can do this part, like the day before you have to actually like present the style to the world, I would definitely recommend that you do that just so your hair can set. Now, the hair that we're going to be using today is this Water Wave Fro Twist hair. It is 22 inches long. If you get like a 12 inch or even like a 14, you won't have to cut and shape as much as I did. But this is the hair that I wanted to use, and all they had was 22 inches, girl. So I got what they had and kept it pushing. Okay, so In order to make this ponytail, you guys can see it's super easy. You need the ponytail holder and the hair. You put the hair through the ponytail holder, knot it one time, and then go ahead and knot it again. Hopefully it's super easy to understand. It's really, really simple. I'm going to show you guys one more time. Take the crochet braid hair, put it through the ponytail holder, and then we're just going to take the two pieces and make a knot. And then after you've made one knot, pull it tight, and then you're going to make one more knot. I find that this is the best way to do it because it doesn't look like a knot at the top of the ponytail holder. Like, it really just looks like the curl has curled like on itself, you know, like you don't really see that it's a knot. So when I was making the ponytail, I felt like this was the best way to do it. This is what I decided. If you guys have another method, obviously go ahead and do you. And you guys can see here's the ponytail here, and it's not a complete ponytail. I basically only did half because I'm going to be flipping it up for the claw clip. So right here, I'm using a ponytail holder and just kind of bringing it down on my twist to kind of like lump them into one. And then I'm taking the ponytail, the crochet ponytail, and I'm putting it around my own hair, flipping my hair over. I just put one bobby pin in the back so that the crochet braid ponytail part would stay in place and not like lift up because my hair is flipped over, if that makes sense. Then you're going to need a claw clip. Make sure you get a long, thick, sturdy claw clip. Otherwise, this is not going to work. You definitely want to get a longer one and not the shorter ones. And then here, I'm just pulling apart the hair. I only separated some of them into two pieces. Some of them I left whole, just kind of like depended on how it was looking. I'm just kind of putting two bobby pins at the top so that it would sit up just a little bit higher. And then I'm just continuing to shape it. This is a removable style, so you don't have to sleep in this. At night when you come home, you can just take out the claw clip, easily take off the ponytail. That's going to help to, one, preserve the hair, and then two, so you don't have to sleep with this in your head. So it's super duper easy to do, quick, easy, removable. When the hair gets old and raggedy, you can just make a new ponytail. And then of course, I'm probably going to use some of the Hawaiian Silky on it just to make sure that the hair stays looking nice. That'll be the only product that I'll put on this hair after I've worn it a few times. So these are the final results. Hopefully you guys liked how this style came out. I feel like it's super cute, super easy, effortless. It's like really cool and chill for the summer. I will definitely be rocking this style. If you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below, turn your post notifications on, give the video a thumbs up, girl. Be sure to follow me on all my social media, follow me on my vlog channel, and yes, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!